Recording. Hi, this is KIT Iizuka, English 7 C with Jose Domingo Cruz, 5th period. Today, we will be doing the Moodle test as soon as I show you here on my iPad. And I apologize to the two of you making you wait. Unfortunately, I had to restart my iPad. Okay, the Moodle test will be in the last half of the class. I want to use the first half to try to get you ready, not just for your Moodle test today, but also next week, you have your speaking test. So the speaking test itself will be the three of you. There's only three people, so it's one group. You'll be speaking together on these topics. I'll be asking you to do one conversation for 5 minutes. That won't take very long, so we'll be able to use most of next week to be able to do lots of practice for that. Hope to be able to do a little bit today as well, too. I want to show you that you do, however, this week have one assignment for your homework, and that's for your reflection on bilingualism, what your brain is like when you learn two languages. Don't forget to look at the question that I have there, write your answer on a piece of paper, send that up to Moodle when you're done, okay? The Moodle test itself, we'll be starting that from, oh, wait a minute, this is 4th period, sorry. Let me take you to 5th period. There is 5th period. The Moodle test itself will start from about 5 after 10 until about the end of the class will be about 10 to 6. It shouldn't take you the entire time. So if you finish early, please feel free to leave as long as you've got everything done and you made sure that you actually sent your test results up to Moodle. You'll be using your headphones, so please, before you start the test, make sure that you have your headphones set. Okay. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me anything before the test or in my email, jdmcruz@gmail.com. Thanks very much, everyone. Let's have a good class.